Hello friends, welcome to my channel Bonnie's One Step Ahead, and today I am going to present you a very important tips and a very important video, especially during this COVID time. And you must be wondering that why I am doing this video at home. That is because in India the COVID situation is just horrible and nearly out of control. So we all need to stay at home to save our lives and save other lives. Generally, in my previous exercise videos, you have seen me shooting outside, that is maybe on the ground or maybe outside my house with yoga mat. But today I'm showing it at home just to show that we need to stay at home, not going outside, and we can increase our oxygen level so that we can fight with COVID, isn't it? And the best way to do is at home. Yes, at home, and that's why I'm showing this video on the bed. So here we have this machine today, that is oximeter, which measures the oxygen level. And now I'm going to show you before exercise or before starting this exercise my oxygen level, and we are going to measure once again after I'll be showing you these exercises. So let's start. So you can see the oxygen level is 96. We'll start with pranayam, that is breathing in and breathing out. Let's start. Number 1 of this set. Take your lungs full of breath. Inhale from nose and exhale from mouth. Inhale. Exhale. So always a long breath will increase the oxygen level in blood. So repeat this for 3 times. And now again the same thing, but in a little bit different way. Inhale your full lungs, and while exhaling, make Om chanting. Repeat this for 3 times. Now the second set of exercise. You need to lie down on your chest, which is very important. This will expand your chest and we can get more oxygen. See the way. Just lie on your chest and relax. You may be thinking that this is just a lying down pose, or this may be a pose for sleeping. But yes, you are doing a lot of exercise for increasing the oxygen level. Just relax. Another pose. This one is lying on your chest with your neck on one side and leg like this. Full relaxing pose, but yet oxygen inhalation is going on and chest expansion. This will increase the lungs capacity. Now the third one is the cobra pose, which I have already shared in my previous videos. Just lie on your chest with hands on side of your chest, chin down, legs straight. Gradually lift your chest up as much as you can and bend your neck backwards. count 5. Come down, relax. Now we'll be going to the child pose. Stretch as much as you can. This will expand the chest and the oxygen flow will be more. Count 5. Relax. Repeat this child pose, cobra pose for 3 times. Do this every day and you will feel the difference. No need of jogging, no need of jumping. Just do the simple exercises and you will see your oxygen count, your oxygen level getting better, as well as your energy level will get better. And you know one thing, yoga always increases positivity. After doing your yoga for at least 10 minutes, you will feel so much of energy, so much of positivity. So friends, during this COVID time, please do not panic and every day make sure to do these, and you can help others also to make them do this. You can share this video with your friends and relatives so they can also know that it's so easy to increase the oxygen level by sitting at home and doing this exercise in your bedroom instead of going out for some jogging or cycling or running. You can surely do this. Now coming to the final or the next set of exercise. For doing this, you need to sit in this pose, that is Vajrasana. And this is a multiple exercise which I am showing it to you. By sitting in this posture, you can increase your digestion level. If anyone has digestion problems, you can easily do this. And you can sit in this posture and let's do some breathing exercise or pranayama. In this exercise, we will inhale from one nose and exhale from the other. Let's start. Inhale, exhale. Repeat 5 times. So friends, that's all for today's session. Very simple exercises which I have shown you. And yes, remember that sitting in this Vajrasana, you can do this after taking a heavy meal also. But for this cobra pose and child pose, you need to be light mealed, or you can take light meal and do that. And best is if you can do it empty stomach. And remember, if you repeat these exercises twice or thrice in a day, you need not worry about COVID at all, because this will enhance your oxygen level and help you to fight with COVID. So please share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more health tips. So friends, I have done these exercises for 10 minutes, only for 10 minutes. And now let's check the oximeter to get the increased oxygen level, which I am going to share with you all. So you can see it has increased to 99. Oh my God. Can you feel the difference? So it does really work. So friends, please try these easy, simple exercises at home every day. And you can do them on your bed as I have shown. And it's a must to buy this oximeter. It's available in every medical store and you can even order them online. After doing these exercises only for 10 minutes, my oxygen level increased so much. So friends, can you imagine if you repeat these exercises at least twice or thrice in a day, how much oxygen level will increase in your blood? So let's all do these exercises and fight with COVID. Stay tuned. Thank you.